Why ingredient problems cost more than most businesses realise. Most operational problems do not begin during production. They begin before production even starts. Ingredient inconsistency creates manufacturing pressure that makes businesses underestimate. Small ingredient performance problems eventually become reformulation pressure, production inefficiency, operational disruptions, quality control escalation, yield instability, manufacturing cost growth. Professional procurement reduces operational risk. Read today's commercial breakdown in our link below in the bio. Global Cacao Traders Online, your sourcing and distribution platform for premium cacao powder globally. There is also our trade inquiry form and more bulk cacao supply carriers. Global B2B cacao powder supplier and sourcing platform supporting commercial procurement systems. Our headquarters is in Broadbeach, Queensland, and we distribute globally from our suppliers of Global Cacao Traders Online in all countries around the world. Our manufacturing and supply pathways help you obtain traceability and quality control. Ingredient procurement, and most businesses think manufacturing problems start during production. A machine issue, a process issue, a staffing issue, but many operational problems actually begin before production even starts, because ingredient performance problems eventually become manufacturing problems. And today we're breaking exactly why ingredient inconsistency costs businesses far more than most procurement teams realise. Professional procurement isn't simple. In fact, it's all about purchasing ingredients. It's about reducing operational risk, because procurement decisions eventually affect formulation performance, operational reliability, production stability, manufacturing efficiency, and product consistency. When ingredient systems become unstable, manufacturing systems eventually feel the pressure. The cost of inconsistency. One batch performs correctly, the next behaves differently. Suddenly, teams face production adjustments, additional testing, process variation, output inconsistency. The ingredient price remains the same, but the operational cost rises. Professional procurement teams evaluate far beyond price. They evaluate repeatability. Reformulation pressure. Ingredient instability often creates reformulation pressure. Teams begin adjusting the ratios, the production settings, processing parameters. Time gets consumed, resources shift, operational pressure increases. Professional ingredient systems aim to reduce variation before production begins. Production inefficiency. Manufacturing efficiency depends on predictability. Ingredients instability can influence production planning, consistency expectations, operational flow, manufacturing confidence. Stable operational systems often begin with stable procurement systems. Structured procurement. Professional procurement reduces risk. Structured procurement focuses on documentation quality systems, supply consistency, procurement framework, commercial reliability. Professional ingredient procurement isn't only purchasing, it's operational protection. Manufacturing problems often begin before production even starts. Operational consistency begins long before products move through the production system. Read today's breakdown in our article below in the link. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share this video for more up-to-date information on premium cacao powders, sourcing and distribution globally. We'll be back again with another short tomorrow.